Welcome to another video on how to retrieve archived emails on Gmail. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your email inbox. Well, I don't have any email archived at the moment, so let's archive some of the emails first. To archive your email, you can simply select the email and slide left like this. So it'll be archived. Let's do another one as well. Just tap on it and slide left. Now to find the archived email, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper left corner and now click on all mails at the bottom right here. So you will find every kind of emails here. Now to distinguish which one is the archived one, pay close attention to the inbox label next to each email, like this. Now the one that we archived earlier does not have inbox label next to it. So this is the archived email. So click on it. And now to retrieve it, tap on three dots at the upper right corner and click on Move to Inbox. That's it. Now do the same with other email. Now let's go back to primary and see if it's back yet or not. There you go. So that's how you can retrieve your archived emails on Gmail. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.